Hey guys, what's going on? James here with BMW Basement. Today we're going to be pressing in front trailing arm bushings on the E46 M3 Meyle HD bushings from Turner Motorsports. And this is our trailing arm limiters. The installation of those in another video. We're going to install these bushings here. Alright guys, so we're going to utilize BMW special tools here in order to draw these bushings in. And basically, our bushing here, 2 grooves in it, and you want to make sure these grooves are facing upward. Point K is a purple dot. Point K is what they're referring to is the center line of here. I'd say 12 o'clock on this joint here would be our point K. So in order for that to work, we need to basically line this up here and draw it into that. Everything up. We have a cup on the back which will brace everything. We have our other cup here which is locking in to our bushing here. And then we have our threaded rod and our nut. And then we're just going to draw this in. We want to make sure we keep this free and clean from any type of oil or grease. They do recommend to have 2.5 millimeters. Get it as even as possible between both sides. All right, so we're gonna get to the other side now. And that's actually it. Pretty easy. Our trailing arms are pretty much complete.